Hello everyone, MPX Auto is James here. How are you today? In this video we would like to share exactly how our dash camera, the USB style one, is installed and fit and running in our head unit system, which it will work when you start the system to the accessories power level and the head unit turn on. Then that head system here, the dash camera here, will turn on. So in this particular car, it is Hyundai and iX35, and we actually fit it on the front windscreen here. We fit it hidden behind, so if you sit from the driver's seat, you basically don't notice the dash camera module is working in behind the rear mirror. Okay, the wiring is installed up into the roof liner and hidden all the way from here, which is very clean installation, and all the way along that roof liner, and then going down the A-pillar cover, and then going down the side of the dashboard. And from there, this car, we actually run it through the channel on the top of the dash here, not underneath, okay, on the top. And we have another video showing how to run the cable on the top of the dash of the car like this, and you can see another video we have. And after that, the wiring come into right behind the head unit, and we actually have it connect to one of the USB port. So now look at this one. The software is right here, and we touch it and it comes up with the dash camera running, and you can see that on the screen it activates the function of the ADAS, which is the the early warning for the collision in the front for the car. And this function can be turned on and off by touching that icon over here. The gear icon here actually show how the system is looking, and you can access multiple function over here. That you can see it's recording. You can see the playback here again, so you can see the playback from the playback option. So you can see all the video record in this system here, and we chop it into 1 minute each video. And here you have the time, and you have the geographic details, for the position of where it is, and also you have the speed at the time that the video is recorded. So it is very simple, that it shows you all the essential details of how the video was recorded, speed, location and time. That's enough. And also we get into the setting here, and we actually try to change the setting to, like, the audio record, yes, GPS stamp, yes, and we have the full screen, yes, and we have 1 minute chop, yes. And now we actually can turn this one into 10 full HD level or 720p, depending on which one that you want. Okay, but we want 1080p, which is full level, and it's super sharp and clear. Now this one can be updated sometime with the firmware. So in case you want to update the firmware, you can click on the system here and connect to the internet first, and after you connect the internet to the head unit, you actually can go into this software, go into the about, and then from here you can check the new version. Okay, but at this moment it's already been updated, and there's the unit, the newest version already been there. So that's about it. And if you don't use this one, you actually turn the car on, this one will actually run on the background, and you don't notice it, but it still keep recording. And here you can go back to the Apple CarPlay, and you use the system, like GPS or navigation. At the same time, the system still record over here. Okay, and yep, that's simple like that. Okay, and you can see definitely it is recording here, the flashing light, okay? the flashing light over here. Okay, so it's recording nicely, okay, by itself. So that's all about, and hopefully it will be helpful. This one we have two versions, front alone or front and rear dash camera together. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.